If you're running Amazon PPC at scale, you're probably losing money on wasted ad spend, and it's probably more than you think. Most sellers have keywords that get tons of clicks but never convert, draining their budget daily. But what if I could fix that automatically in just seconds? In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate the entire process of identifying and fixing bleeder keywords using a custom-built Excel script. No more wasting hours manually adjusting bids. This does it for you instantly. And if you want to start using this automation today, I'll put the free download in the description below. So stick around, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Before we get into the automation, let's talk about why this is such a huge problem. The average Amazon seller wastes 30 to 50% of their ad budget on keywords that never convert. These keywords are what we call bleeders. They rack up clicks, but they never turn into sales. PPC is supposed to drive profitable growth, but without proper bid management, it's just burning cash. The solution? Automation. Instead of spending hours manually adjusting bids or using expensive PPC software, we're going to have Amazon bulk files do all the work for us. If you're not using bulk files, you're not scaling efficiently. Here are the 4 most valuable bulk operations every 7-figure seller should be using. 1. Lowering bids on wasted keywords. 2. Increasing bids on high-performing keywords. 3. Adjusting budgets for peak selling days. And 4, which is my favorite one, renaming campaigns. Now let's dive into the automation that lowers wasted ad spend. Instead of filtering reports manually, this automation will do all the work for us. Let me share my screen and show you how in 5 very simple steps. So step 1, we want to download the bulk file from Amazon Ads, and we want to use the last 14 days excluding yesterday and today. So to do so, we go over Amazon Ads, we hover over sponsored ads under bulk operations. So this brings you to this screen here. So now the way I like doing it is I select 14 days first, and then I click it again. And remember, I said to remove, I guess exclude today and yesterday. So you want to remove these two and then add from the back over here. So from this to that. And then you create the spreadsheet for download. This typically takes quite a while. So give it at least 15 minutes. Okay, so when it's done, it's going to give you a link here. So click on it. And then once you download it on your computer, the next step would be to open the Excel spreadsheet I gave you and then set the number of clicks. Okay, so to do that, once you go here, you open the actual automation I sent you. And then here there are really 2 ways of doing this. So one, we could use the default, meaning you could use 8 clicks. What I use for any product that's below $55 is 8 clicks. So you could do that. And then there are 2 ways to set where the number of clicks is. You could do this. This would apply it to every single SKU in your catalog. But if you have a different threshold for different SKUs, you want to set them under the custom clicks. So you would type your SKU name and then the click. For example, let's say this SKU requires 8, and then SKU number 2 is a higher priced product, which let's say requires 10. So after you do that, then all you do is click. You would load in the bulk sheet. This is step 3. So once you execute, and then you find the bulk sheet. Let me look for it right here. I have one under downloads, and then pick bulk, and then let's see where it comes up. So once you find the bulk file, you just upload, and then it does its thing. And then within a few seconds, it finishes and creates 4 tabs. So notice that you have 4 tabs. So the first 3 are the ones you're gonna upload on Amazon. And then the last ones are the before tabs, meaning those are were the bids before we changed them. So this is very valuable because in case something happens, you could revert. Okay, if you notice there's a problem in the account after you've done this, then you could revert back. Okay, so once you do that part, you're gonna save it, right? It's gonna save somewhere. Save it under anywhere you want, let's say, and then the last step would be to upload it on Amazon. The way you do that, you go the same place, and then you go choose file, and then you would upload this. So I'm not gonna upload it obviously, but as you can tell, I've used it a lot in this account. And one thing you wanna make sure is that if you do have errors, that you address the errors, and that will be it, okay? Now, if you want to start using this automation today, I've put the free download in the description below. This is the exact system I use for my 7-figure clients to save thousands in wasted ad spend. Once you have this automation running, you'll free up time focusing on scaling, optimizing campaigns that actually drive profit. Comment below, how much ad spend do you think you're wasting on bleeders every month? If you found this valuable, hit the like and subscribe for more PPC automations.